Hello guys, welcome to Nika Times Graphics. If you want to learn how to change your video background, then this video will show you how to do that step by step. So first, go to Pinterest, or you can better say also go to Google. Then you search for the background you want to use for your video. So I'm going to search for the background. So let me just type living room. Living room design. So you see a lot here. You see a lot here. So you can select the one you want to use. So I'm going to use this image. So tap on it, then download the image. So the image has been downloaded. Yes. So when you download the image like this, then go to capcut. Tap capcut, then import the video you want to remove the background, or you want to change the background. So this is the video I want to change the background. So what you do first is that go to import. Go to import, then move it to photo, then import the image. This is the image. You import the image. So when you import the image, you have to make it long, drag it to be 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 long. So when you drag it to be long like this, so what you do next is go to overlay, tap on overlay, add overlay, then import the video you want to change. You want to change the background. So tap add. So import the video you want to change the background. So tap add. So highlight the video and then scale it to screen like this. So when you scale it to screen like this, what you will do next is highlight the video and then erase the video background. So erase the background. So tap on cut out, then tap on erase background, remove background. So the background has been removed. The background has been removed. So you see that you are now, your background has been changed. Yes, so your background has been changed. So this how it is. Guys, this is Mikatams. So that is it. So that is it. So that is it. So your background has been changed. Your background has been changed. Yes. So this is how to change your video background. So if you want, you can resize the video. If you want to make the video small, you can resize it. You can resize it and pull it down like this. Increase it small a little bit. Yes, so That's how to change your video background. Thank you.